everyone, today I have Sephora Playbox for the month of February, and this is what it looks like this month. It's got a 50-point perk, which is nice, and I just went to Sephora yesterday, so I wish I would have had this yesterday when I went to use and redeem. But regardless, this is the bag this month. It's got a girl with like a face and like an afro heart shape. It says feel the love. That's kind of nice. This reminds me of like an old-fashioned carnival like flyer. Anyways, so let's reach in and see what our first thing is this month. Okay, it's a paper. It's a perfume. It says that it is Altier Cologne, and it comes with this postcard, which I'm going to try to send the postcard. Since the postcard is here, I can use it to smell the perfume on. It says it's a vanilla one by Altier Cologne. I have no idea how to say that. Vanille Incense Pure Perfume. It smells quite nice. I mean, I definitely don't hate it. I wish it was a little sprayer, because even though this is like, you know, these little perfumes are like okay, the sprayer makes a big difference on how you can apply it and try it, because for not to just accidentally spill it everywhere. But it's okay. And it actually has like a nice kind of like woodsy, musky kind of vanilla smell. It's sweet, but it's not like so sweet. It's kind of like in between. I kind of like. Then there is Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel Exfoliant. Visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged onto skin. This sounds really nice. I've had stuff from Peter Thomas Roth before and they were good. So I definitely want to try this because I like exfoliating away my dead skin cells. Oh, something by NARS is next. And I like NARS. And this says it's a velvet lip matte pencil. Oh my god, it's in the color Let's Go Crazy. Can we please hope that it is not red? It's like a fruit punch color, so at least it's not red. I'm gonna do a swatch of it. Oh, it's like a fuchsia, like a hot pink. It's actually quite a nice color. And I love NARS. And the only thing I don't like about these pencils is that you have to sharpen them. So that's what it looks like. It's a nice color, and you can see that the end has the color, so at least you'll know what it is when it's in your drawer. But that's a nice size sample, and I do really love NARS. Sorry if I sound kind of funny in this video. My sinuses and allergies have been so bad, and my nose is so swollen that it's just hard to. Then there is a Rouge Matte lipstick by Sephora. I'm so surprised to get two lipsticks in this box. So this is a Sephora matte, and the other one was matte, so they must love mattes this month. I'm surprised they did two lipsticks in one box. I feel like that was an oversight. The packaging is matte on this. If you're wondering what that string is, it's my Valentine's Day balloon. This is a nice kind of like deep red wine color. Oh, it's very similar to the NARS. This is it right here. This thick line is the Sephora one. It's like this is the color. It's like it's not coming off on camera, the color it looks like a deep red, but it is kind of like a wine color, but it's very similar. And I mean, it feels nice and the color looks great, but I'm surprised that it's not exactly like the fuchsia color, but it is a dark berry, and I'm just surprised that they gave me two similar colors in one box. But you know, maybe they think I need more lip stuff. Then there's two more things, it feels like. Oh, it is a Laura Mercier eye color, and I've had one of these before, and I feel like it was in my Sephora box. Are they repeating? What are they doing? This is the color. It says it's called Rose Gold. So it's a nice color. I'm gonna do a swatch of this one as well. It's really creamy. It's pretty. Sometimes cream eyeshadows tend to give me a headache though. But it is really nice and reflective, if you can see. It almost is so similar to my skin tone, but it's super pretty. And I do like that it's here, so I can probably take this on vacation with me and just pop it in my thing and then use it as a base to put some other kind of color on to really make it pop. I think that would be a great use for this. Then the last thing is this little blue pot by Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This looks good. I feel like I've had the Aqua Balm moisturizer sample from them so many times. That's what this is. And it is, the pot is actually, if you can see, this is the stuff. So it looks nice, but then it thinks like it's the whole depth of the pot. you would think, but then the sample portion underneath is like less than to the bottom. So it tricks you to believe it's a bigger sample than it is. It feels really nice and like a gel-like texture, very cooling. I'm gonna travel with this little sample on vacation and see how much I like it. I think that it will be good to throw in my little makeup thing so I don't have to take too many big things. I have so many samples of eye creams. I'm just gonna take those. I don't use eye creams on a day-to-day basis, and I know I should. I'm gonna start, hopefully. But yeah, so that's everything in my bag. I think I really like the NARS lipstick. I like this eye cream. I wish it was the whole sample. I enjoyed the eye shadow stick, if it doesn't give me a headache, and I enjoy the Peter Thomas Roth exfoliant. This year it actually says, or this time it actually says that the NARS lipstick is a bestseller. Very good idea lipstick. There's the eyeshadow, there's the Peter Thomas Roth exfoliant, there's the eye cream, and then there's the perfume. So that's everything in my bag, and I love Sephora's flyers because it's very informative what things are. It doesn't always have the cost, so that's a little sad, but I do like that they tell you what everything is and how to use it. And I do love the 50 points. So yeah, see you guys later.